Welcome to GarageMaster. If you're facing installation issues, you're not alone. Some hosting providers, like Ionos and those using Plesk, may not have the right server configurations. But don't worry, we have the solution. GarageMaster requires a properly configured hosting environment. Some users on Plesk-based servers struggle with missing PHP modules, incorrect database settings, and limited server access. These issues prevent a smooth installation. If you've encountered these errors, your hosting provider may not meet the necessary requirements. For a hassle-free experience, we recommend hosting providers that offer cPanel and WHM-powered Linux hosting. Options like A2 Hosting and GoDaddy provide one-click PHP configuration, built-in IonCube loader, easy database management with phpMyAdmin, full control over server settings. With these providers, you can install GarageMaster in just a few clicks. Let's walk through the installation process on a cPanel-based hosting account.
Okay, so we were able to see that garage installation process idea about using the AI, but now let's see how it works in real life. So once you have downloaded the package and you're ready to install, upload the package on your cPanel file manager. So go to the directory where you want to upload the file. So so we're going to upload the zip file into the folder that you create on your website. So this is the zip file that we uploaded. Now we're going to unzip it. So the whole process is about how you install it on the cPanel. So this is what we are working through right now. So we have just unzipped the package. Garage is the name for the folder after unzipping. And we are just installing on garage hosting folder. So just need to remember the directory where you are copying the files after public HTML. So public HTML is where your www domain actually points your server to. Now we are going to, so we uploaded the files. Now we are going to check the database. So we need to create a new database where all the data will be stored on the server. So we are going to give the database name. So there is a database wizard that comes in cPanel. You're gonna use it. So usually it's a database. You create a database, then create new user and password and assign that to a database. So ideally use the database wizard, which is very helpful. Over here we are going to just create a new user with the password. So we have created the username and we are going to add a password for it, and then once we have it, we can just assign the user to that particular database. So this is a classical mode of creating a user and the database and then assigning it to each other. So you want to give all privileges. Make sure you have this database user and password written somewhere in notepad file or something like that, because we're going to need it. Now let's go to the installation wizard. So your domain name and then your installation directory. So if you it will go through the installation process in number of steps. Over here it will ask you to provide details about how your garage system, the name, after, and things like that. So this is super admin password that login details on number step 5 is asking us. So let's just install it. So once the installation is done, it will show you the page like this, login page, and once you enter the user and password, it will actually get into the login, so we can see the dashboard. So that was the video. Now let's just continue with the AI video.
And that's it. Your GarageMaster software is now up and running. For the best performance and smooth installation, choose a cPanel-based hosting provider. If you need help, reach out to our support team. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy managing with GarageMaster.